Hello, how you doing? So what I've got on the go today is I've got some pasta. I'm using this fusilli. You can use any pasta you want. With tomatoes, chili, shrimps or prawns. Really simple to make, really tasty. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's take a look at what we have here. Very few ingredients, really tasty. So I've got 1 can of tomatoes, a regular size can, which is like a 400 ml can. 1 tomato, or about 1 cup of fresh tomato. Small onion, so about half a cup there. 1 tablespoon of garlic. There I've got a teaspoon, or maybe just over, of oregano and chili powder. And here we've got our cooking prawns or shrimp. So these were frozen, they're uncooked. So I just put them in some cold water and then, let them do their thing. Just drain them off. Really simple. Now, look, get your pasta ready because we're going to really concentrate just on the sauce. So here's my pasta. I'm using this kind of 3-colored fusilli, and you can see it's about the same amount, maybe 3 cups of pasta, 3 cups of the shrimps. Let's get to the cooker. We're going to start us off with some olive oil. So you're going to need a wok, frying pan, skillet or something like that. The heat is on fairly high, just put that on. And I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil, you could use something different if you want. So just that sort of half a cup of onion and the 1 tablespoon of garlic, which is roughly chopped in my case. Very simply, on this lively heat, we're gonna go just for 2 to 3 minutes, just to get it moving. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to drop in that 1 tomato, or like 1 cup of tomato. Try and use a nice juicy tomato. Cut that nice and small. To that, I'm going to add some salt and a nice big pinch of black pepper. Staying on this lively heat, we're going to go for about 3 or 4 minutes. Want to kind of cook those tomatoes down a little bit. So easy and so delicious. This is really good. Okay, so those tomatoes are just starting to break. We're now going to add in our 3 cups of the shrimp or prawns, whatever you want to call them. Like I say, these were frozen, uncooked cooking shrimp. And again, high heat pretty much all the way here. We're going to go for 4 more minutes, stirring often now. Excellent stuff. Now, if you want, think about putting some black or green olives in here, maybe 3 or 4. Maybe a couple of anchovies if you want. But we're going to add that 1 can of tomatoes. That was a whole plum tomato. I've just crushed that really roughly with my hand. And then we're going to add, well, this is what I'm using. You could change it. Oregano and chili powder. If you want extra chili in there, like some fresh chili or chili flakes, that's also really good. Okay, stay on the high heat, give it a stir every now and then. Let's go for 5 minutes. So like I say, I went for some oregano, but if you want, think about some dried basil in there, thyme, rosemary. You can go in any direction you want. That is looking absolutely stunning. Our pasta, in it goes. Like I say, I'm using this 3-color tricolore fusilli. But again, tagliatelle is great, penne, anything you like, whatever you have to hand. We're going to go now for about 4 more minutes on this high heat, and I'm going to be stirring it all the time. Now, I just cooked my pasta, but it's not super hot, so I just want to get the sauce heated through onto the pasta. Really simple. That is done. Okay, and there you go. So easy and so delicious. A little bit of parsley, chopped parsley, flat leaf parsley on the top, or if you wanted some fresh basil or something. A little bit of chili flakes just to add that extra spice, but that is a beauty. I hope you enjoy that. Please keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.